15 years ago, I was part of a DOJ team working to bring Al-Qaeda terrorists to justice. Today, as a former United States Attorney now in private practice, I'm helping companies fight a different kind of enemy, one that targets our critical infrastructure from behind keyboards across the globe. Houston sits at the epicenter of America's critical infrastructure: energy, healthcare, transportation, and chemical manufacturing. According to the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, these sectors are so vital that their disruption would have a debilitating effect on national security. That makes Houston ground zero for sophisticated nation-state actors, particularly China's Vault Typhoon and Salt Typhoon campaigns, along with ransomware groups like Black Cat. These aren't opportunistic hackers, they're patient, well-funded operations planning for a long-term disruption. The stakes are high. The Change Healthcare attack in February 2024 exposed 190 million Americans' data and cost hospitals over $1 million a day in revenue. IBM reports that the average data breach now costs about $4.88 million, and that's before considering critical infrastructure's unique risks to public safety and to national security. As in-house counsel, you're facing three critical challenges that require immediate legal attention. First, governance and compliance. You see, cybersecurity isn't just IT's problem. It's a boardroom's liability. You need policies covering access controls, employee training at every level, regular audits and penetration testing. Your board needs a working cyber risk reporting mechanism and documentation proving the company's due diligence. Second, incident response legal framework. When, not if, you're breached, legal requirements cascade immediately. Your incident response team must include IT, legal, finance, HR, public relations, outside counsel, and forensics experts, to name a few. But here's the critical part. Notification timing varies dramatically. The SEC requires disclosure within 4 business days for material incidents. The NERC, or the NERC, has different timelines for bulk electric system impacts. State breach laws trigger consumer notifications with varying deadlines. Pipeline companies must report to TSA. Healthcare entities have HIPAA obligations. And along the way, make sure to document everything. Your response decisions will be scrutinized later. Third, cyber insurance as legal risk management. Your policy isn't just financial protection, it's a legal strategy. Coverage triggers often require specific notification procedures and approved defenders. Many policies provide access to specialized legal counsel, forensic investigators, and yes, ransomware negotiators who both understand the technical and legal landscape. But read the fine print. Some policies exclude nation-state attacks or require specific standards to maintain coverage. The threats against America have evolved, from bombs to bytes, but the mission remains the same: protecting the nation's critical infrastructure. Your legal strategy must evolve too.